Mind you, this ain't no leave out. If you want to see how I do my quick weave wig, stay tuned.
Really stupid. Something told me deep inside, better not do it.
So for my closure, I always bleach it. This is the products that I'm using. This is the amount that I used. And you want it to come out to a pancake batter type consistency like this. Not too runny, not too dry. When applying it to your closure, make sure that you're not pushing too deep into the net, but you're kind of like staying on top. This is how it should look once it's fully covered. I let that sit for 15 minutes. Y'all, this is a friendly reminder that you don't want to process your closure too long, because in the future it will be dry and crispy. Y'all ever seen the closures that be balding? Yeah, that's what be happening. So I did only use 20 volume developer and that bleach. So then I use my purple shampoo and I let that sit for at least 10 minutes so that it can get the brassiness out. So this is my braid pattern, very fat and juicy because my hair was pressed, y'all remember, and I did not wash it. So I always put a plastic bag underneath my wig cap, and then I put my wig cap on. Now this part is important. You want to stretch that closure from one side to the next, wherever your placement is going to be, and make sure that's kind of taut. Be sure not to stick yourself when you're doing this part, ladies. So here you see I have the closure all pinned down, and I'm going to sew it down to the cap. Mind you, I'm not poking it so far that it's going through my hair. And if I need to, I lift the cap up some so that I make sure that I do not poke through my hair. So now that my closure is all sewn down, I did go in with a white eyeliner and outline where I want my tracks to be. That's only because I tend to be too heavy-handed in the back with the tracks, so yeah, that helps me keep a placement, but you can do how you want. And I am doubling up the tracks with the glue because why not? I want it to be super full, super thick. And y'all, this is the only track I showed because I literally followed that outline all the way up to the top. So now you see me blow drying all the tracks to ensure that everything is dry before I remove this cap off of my head. So right before I move it, I am going to go ahead and set my part with some foam mousse. I love doing this because it makes the hair lay in the direction that you want it to lay before you hot comb it. And yeah, I just love the way it makes it look, y'all. Just watch me as I comb this through. Girl, you can't tell me it's not giving scalp. Okay, so now I'm removing it so that I can go ahead and sew down the tracks. Now y'all don't have to sew down the tracks because this is supposed to be a quick weave, but I did do that because I want to like really wash this wig and wear it over and over. So I went ahead and cut out the cap that's underneath my closure, and now you see me hot combing that part into place even further. And baby, it's still giving scalp. I'm so excited when I saw this. Now y'all, this is bodywave hair from a company I think it's called FASHAIR off of TikTok shop. They are a fairly new company, so I will leave the link in the bio if you all are interested. I give the hair a 7 out of 10. Like, it's okay for some bodywave hair. I give it that. But yeah, I went ahead and applied my band to take it a step further so that my hair can stay on my head, honey. Okay. And look, I didn't even cut the lace yet, and it's still giving scalp. So here I am showing you all how I cut my lace. And I ain't gonna lie, it was hard to do this on camera because I was trying not to cut the little bit of edges I left out. So yeah, y'all will see when I come back and it's fully cut and how it's looking and stuff. Baby, it blends right in, and this is what I mean when I say do not over bleach your closure, and you ain't gotta process it fast. Like, just, you know, let it be. So here I am curling my hair with my what's the name of this darn curling iron? That's a hold on, it come to me. That's my my Tomo curling iron, y'all, and I love this thing because it literally glides through the hair. Like, I did not have to comb through or brush any of the sections. I just literally put that curling iron / flat iron to it, and it was ready to go. It glides right through. So I just did a little light curl to the hair, just to, you know, give it a little razzle dazzle. It's really late at this point, so I'm like, yeah, let's get this done. So I ain't really do too much, but it still came out very cute, y'all. And baby, we have made it to the end. If you had stayed with me, if you have stayed with me this far, I want to give you a great big thank you. Subscribe, like, share this video, and thank you for rocking with it, girl. Check out my description box for any of the products I use and to check out this hair if you're interested. Thank you. Until next time.